All right, let's continue with our phonics. You should have your little heart page like this out with the V, 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 v. First things first, what do you do on your paper? Write your name. So go ahead and write your name on your paper. And I'll read you the directions while you're finishing up writing your name. It says, color each Valentine that has a picture that begins with the sound you hear at the beginning of violin. V, 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 v. They're showing a red crayon, so I'm going to use my red crayon. So let's look at our pictures and talk about what is in each picture. Okay, so let's first look at this picture. What is this a picture of? Monkey. Monkey. Do you hear a V sound? What sound does a monkey start with? M, right? M. We do not, nope, don't color that. Let's look at this. What is this a picture of? Do you know what this is? It's a vine. Vine. V, 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 v. Do you hear the V? Vine. Yes. So you're going to color this picture. So go ahead. You can color over it, over the picture of the actual vine. So go ahead and color your heart red. So we have vine. Do your best to stay in the lines. Okay, so you should have that colored red. Let's move on over to this one. Bell. Bell. What do you hear at the beginning of that? B. Should we color it? No, because it's not called a vel, right? It's a bell. So we're listening for the V sounds. V, 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 v. What's down here? What are those? Everybody's favorite, huh? Some of you, huh? Some of you like to eat veggies, vegetables, right? Vegetables. Do you hear a V at the beginning of vegetables? Yes. So you're going to color this one red. So go ahead and color that. Eating your vegetables keeps you healthy, so you should always give them a try. Even if you don't think you like it, you can at least lick it to get a taste of it, and you might like the taste of it. You never know. So you should always give things a try. You never know what you might like. And then the last one we have is vase. Vase. Do you hear a V? Yes, V, vase. So go ahead and color that last heart down there. So you should have they already did violin. You should have vine colored. You should have vegetables colored and vase. You don't have to color like the outside part here, because that's, I think, supposed to be look like lace. You just got to color the inside parts. So you should have these three colored. Okay, tilt this a little bit better. See that a little better. All right. Turn your page over. Let's see what's on the back. Oh, we have sentences to read, and we have our word family. ENT. Do you remember we just had that on that other worksheet? Ent. That's our word family. Say it with me. Ent. So let's see what it says up here. You're going to draw a line. It says draw a line from each picture to the sentence. So they did this first one for. Look at the car. They're pointing. They're showing this. What is that in the car there? It says it. You can read with me. It had a dent. I'm getting a little bit of a reflection there. Sorry about that. So you can look on your paper. So it had a dent. So you're going to trace your line. Use your pencil. I'm using this pen just so you can see better. So it shows up better on me. So trace it. Okay, trace your line. So let's read the next one. The tent is, oh, you should know this word. It's a color word. Blue. Read it again with me. The tent is blue. So you're going to draw a line from that sentence. You just got to draw a little tiny line there. To Hopscotch. He's in his little tent. That tent looks small for him. Doesn't look like he could quite fit in there very good, does it? Maybe he's in Dottie's tent. She's little. She'd fit in there, huh? All right. Let's move down to this next row here. We have I sent a map. I sent a map. Do you see a map on here? Yep, right there. So we're going to draw a line from here to that, from the first one to over to the map. Okay, you see that? Let's read the next one. The can is bent. See how we all have, look, the ENT, we have bent, and up here we had sent. So read it with me again. The can is bent. All right, we have a lot of like our ENT family words. So let's look back up here just to kind of review. So we had dent. Over here we have tent. Down here we have scent. And over here, bent. E-N-T, ent. So let's read what's going on over here, see if we can figure out these. So try to read with me. I went up a hill. Let's do that again. I went up a hill. So which picture shows somebody going up a hill? Yep, Hopscotch. Boy, that's a pretty steep hill to be riding. I bet you his legs get sore from riding up there. So you can draw a line from there to the picture. Just right over there to the picture. Let's read the last one. The man went up. He's on the ladder going up. So let's read that sentence again that way. Read it with me. The man went up. So draw a line over to that man. So now we have all it's right here it says read. So we're going to read these all together. We'll go up and down. That's how we'll do it. Ready? So with a B, remember ENT is ent. So with a B, bent. With a D, dent. With an S, sent. With a T, tent. With a V, vent. And with a W, went. I want to say them just one more time with you. All right, let's just say them together one more time. Ready? Bent, dent, sent, tent, vent, went. Okay, and those are all ENT words. Ent. All righty. That page is done. All you have left to do yet is your handwriting page. So you should be doing your V, violin, v. And what is this word? Can you read this word for me? Do you know this word, V-A-N? We just had it on our other page. It was a big picture of it. It was green. Van, right, van. So you can write the word van. You would think they would put a picture of a van. If they have the word van here, I don't know why they wouldn't put a picture of a van. I don't understand. But anyways, you can color your violin whatever color you want. Normally they're brown, but there's also different colored ones. So also don't forget to write your name. Make some beautiful V's for me. Nice and neat. Do a good job on this and you can color your picture. All right, so you do that. After that, then we'll move on to math. So I'll see you in a little bit for math. We're going to do our math. This will be our last math page before our test on Monday. So get your math page out next.